Telling time. Morning to night. Learning time expressions in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to explore an important part of English language learning, time expressions. Specifically, we'll focus on phrases we use to describe different parts of the day: in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night. These expressions are used frequently in everyday English, so let's dive in and master them. When it comes to telling time, English speakers often use specific phrases to refer to various parts of the day. These are in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night. We typically use these expressions when we want to give a general idea of when something happens during the day, rather than a specific time. For example, instead of saying, "I eat breakfast at 7 a.m., you could say, "I eat breakfast in the morning." Each expression corresponds to a particular part of the day. In the morning, this is generally the time after sunrise until around 12 noon. Example: I usually go for a jog in the morning. In the afternoon, this is the time from 12 noon until approximately 5 p.m. Example: she has English classes in the afternoon. In the evening, this refers to the time from approximately 5 p.m. until the sun has completely set, or around bedtime. Example: we often have dinner in the evening. At night, this time frame starts after the sun has completely set or post-dinner and lasts until sunrise. Example: I read a book at night before going to sleep. It's important to note that the exact times these expressions refer to can vary slightly depending on cultural context and personal routines. Now that we know when to use each expression, let's practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. Instead of saying, "I have lunch at 1 p.m., we could say, "I have lunch in the afternoon." Instead of, "I watch a movie at 8 p.m., try saying, "I watch a movie in the evening." How about, "I sleep at 10 p.m., we could say, "I sleep at night." The more you practice using these expressions, the more naturally they'll come to you when you're speaking or writing in English. And that's it. We've learned about the time expressions, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night. I hope this lesson helps you express yourself more easily when talking about daily activities. Remember to practice using these phrases, and soon you'll be using them like a pro. See you in our next lesson. Happy learning!